Hello.
Hello, welcome back to Dada.
And the boy.
Yeah, I'm the Dada.
I'm the boy.
We are playing
Risk
of Rain.
It's kind of rainy in here.
It is very rainy in here, although this game has nothing to do with rain.
It actually does. If you look down at the picture, one drizzle, then one rainstorm, and the other one.
That's it.
That's all.
It's monsoon.
If you look down, we have artifacts.
Artifacts? Yeah, I see the artifacts.
Which one? Actually, I
I don't have any artifacts on the screen that we're looking at today.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Hit the start button.
Alright, here we go.
Giant start button.
I am launching. Now I'm going to use the I'm gonna use the.
See, I told you it would work.
Yeah.
Check out my guy. He has a grenade launcher.
I'm trying to figure out my
missiles,
buttons here. Hold on. Oh!
And mines.
Oh! Trigger buttons. Oh. Okay. So, what do we do in this game?
You remember?
What do I do here? No, you're really gonna have to fill me in. It's been a while here.
Okay. Well, my guy's the best guy ever. We share gold. He can plant mines, homing missiles, and he has a turret. A turret. Okay.
Whoa! What are we gonna do?
We have to find the teleporter.
Okay. What was that?
A chest. Well, like a storage thing.
Ah! Hold on! Hold on! Don't leave without me!
Okay, well it's not this way.
We need to go this.
So it must be on the right.
Like up or something.
No, you don't.
Oh no! Here come some guys.
Thank
oh wow,
you.
that is really powerful.
Yeah. Look, I have mines too. Boop, boop.
Wow, that's super nice. You're good.
Yeah,
All right.
I
So,
know. I know.
I know.
Yeah.
And humble too.
Yeah.
All right. So what is this thing?
You can hit whatever your button is. You have a chance.
Press the X. I'm pressing the X.
You could get something or you can't get something.
I don't think I got anything.
Nope, didn't get anything.
I didn't get anything.
It says chance of reward.
Well, what good is that?
If you have a whole bunch of money to spend randomly, yeah, this works really good.
I got nothing! Uh-oh, what is that?
Oh, cool, I got the marble thing. Yeah, that's totally helpful.
Oh, wait a minute, this guy. There's some guy I got here.
We share gold.
Do we share gold?
Yeah. Okay, wait, don't hit it, don't hit it, don't hit
Okay,
it.
alright. What do you do with it?
The little guys are gonna pop out of it, and I'm going to put a whole bunch of mines down. So watch this.
Okay.
Yeah, we got him!
Meat nuggets.
You want to activate that one? You want to activate what you're
I'm
going to
gonna do this one.
do?
That's what I'm gonna do?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Activate it.
Ding, ding.
Yes, I did.
You have it. Yeah, the top left corner.
Yeah, 34. I have 34. I have 38 on. Ready?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. It's just that you're so good, you got room for a bit.
You should probably take that one.
What is that?
Dealing damage heals you.
Ooh. Is that a good thing?
Yep.
Alright, that's cool.
Those missiles
Ah.
I beat the game with this guy.
Did you?
Yeah.
You've beaten this game?
3 times. Really? Yeah. That's how I got the sniper. That's the sniper.
Now we have to find the way out here.
The teleport, yeah.
My little gun doesn't work very well.
We get to level up. And what level are you?
I don't know.
This is down to the thing that's
Oh, 4.
4 2. Okay, good.
Ah! There's a guy right here.
Just keep going.
Ah, there's another guy right here.
Just keep going. Found it.
We found what?
The teleporter.
Oh, the teleporter?
Yeah, that's mine. Okay, so
Ooh, I leveled up. I leveled up. I'm level 5.
oh my god!
Oh my god, what is going on here?
That was-
What is going on?
That was a really bad
I'm
idea.
running away, I'm running away, I'm running away.
Oh, you don't really have to, because I'm like the best player ever. I can use that. Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm getting trapped in the corner.
dead.
Save me, boy, save me.
You might want to pick. I'll buy it. Do you want something?
Yeah, what do I want?
There. You got it.
What is that?
Pick it up.
Monster too?
Do you see that little pillar next to the thing?
Yeah.
I'll show you what it does when we kill all the guys.
Okay.
Monsters drop more gold now because I got the. Okay, see that?
I'm ready to go. I think we need
We have to wait 48 seconds, 49 seconds. Stay right there. Stay right there. Stand next to the pillar and watch it. What? You see me? You see me go off screen that I fell? Gee, I'm back.
Oh.
It's a little teleportation. Homing missiles.
Are we done? Are we done?
No, I'm taking care of these guys over here.
What is going on here? Oh, there's more guys popping up over here.
Take care of them.
I'll take care of them. I got this handled. There's like 3 or 4 of them popping up. Yeah, I've got this handled. In my area. Go away from my... Oh, there's too many of them! Ah, they're coming in from the back. Ah, what's going on here? What happened? Oh, I think we can go now.
Yeah, I know. Hit it.
Shoot! I am now in Sky Meadow.
Stay close.
I'm staying close. You have a bot.
Yeah.
Where'd you get the robot? Ah.
I said stay close, not run away and
I'm
panic.
running away.
Bring him back to the mines.
I'm running.
Bring him to the mines.
I'm running away.
See? Mine's always one.
What's that thing? See that guy?
See what guy?
That guy.
What guy?
Never mind.
Okay, we need to find the teleporter.
Ah!
Stay close, man! Stay close! Stop! Where are you going? Come on! Okay.
Got him. I'm following.
I'm
Following.
Yeah.
I have 89. Where do I get robots? I want some robots.
163 is the price of the robot. Oh, it's a missile drone.
Is it?
Yeah,
I've got 121. I want to stay close.
Oh, that's where I put my thing in.
I want to stay close.
You want to open this really amazing chest?
No, I want the drone.
But it's a really amazing chest.
I'm gonna save my money.
It's a super amazing chest. It gives a lot of stuff. That's really amazing.
Oh, I've got power! I have the power!
Yeah, when he dies, I'm gonna pick him up.
You have to spend $182.
Well, that would double the triple that, yeah.
Oh, does it?
Triple. 300.
Come on, give me somebody to shoot now. I want to see this guy in action.
Okay.
So is that all you do in this game? Is this it?
Yep.
I'm a little bored, you know, so you have
Well, you should wait for the boss fight. I'm just gonna stand here and watch Monster and take care of it.
Oh, did you see it firing the missiles? See that?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, you see my missile? That's cool. Down one more.
I like my little drone guy. He's friendly.
Yeah, my guy heals.
Ooh, you should go up there.
Yeah, you can't get up there from there. That's probably where the thing is.
Ooh, I latched on.
off screen.
Jump off screen?
Well, not really jump off. Woo! Oh, there's a thing over here. Probably buy it.
Buy what? What is it?
I don't know, something. Probably buy the egg thing.
I'm coming. The egg thing?
Yeah.
What's the egg thing?
It heals you.
Ooh, I like you. Sprouting egg.
It rapidly heals your eye combat. Where's the thing? It's here. Where is it? The portal's not here. Where is the portal not here? So this is the starting point, and you came from there. So the portal should be on this side. Hang on.
Down below.
It should be on the left side.
Nah, it's definitely.
On the left.
I'm just checking out below.
I'm on the left. Yeah, it's over here.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so. It's not. That's the weird thing. It should be over here. It's not. Oh, stand up on
Wow.
Taking your butt?
No, I'm doing fine. It's just, there's just so many of them.
You see my message now?
I did see a missile. Thank you for sending your missile.
Yeah, here it is. Found it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay, where's...
Find this vine over here. Yeah, find this vine.
Climb the sun over here?
No, over here. This one. No, that one just leads to the vine.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna get him.
What level up again? We're level 9 now.
Oh.
I like my robot. I'm supposed to call him Body. Wow.
I saw a whole bunch of this.
Yeah, you see that?
I have $5.
I have 661.
My guy's red gun. Oh my guy, my little dragon.
Oh, the human dragon.
Your guy is upstairs.
I'm doing fine.
Are you smoking?
I'm just smoking right now.
My guy's smoking. You shouldn't be smoking!
Like smoking is bad for you?
I think he actually feels over time. No. He's slightly smoking.
Oh, really?
He's slightly. Oh, yeah, look, he's completely fine now. Now he's just barking slightly.
I see that. He's doing fine.
He was smoking a little bit ago, and now he's like drinking. Okay, well, that's good.
He's like sitting here fighting these guys.
Are you seriously?
I'm just
like...
I'm just sitting here because they're coming to me, and this is working out
You
super
got the guy behind you.
This is working out super well. Let's keep firing. I'll get some of these things.
Were you just using the basic attack?
I just figured it out.
Were you just
no.
using...
I got the firing thing, but I just figured out that there's a bigger gun there. Yeah. Well,
Really?
I've been doing this other one because this is the right trigger, which is my regular gun, and then left trigger is the bigger one. I just figured out that the bumper is pretty good.
Yeah,
You know where he's at?
Boop, okay, done.
Oh,
Boop.
done.
Jump!
Alright. Alright. Oh, there we go. Now we're in.
The sunken tunes!
Sunken tunes.
Go to the right, go.
Is this good?
Oh, no, he's not there. There's supposed to be a guy that spawns exactly right here, and this is the perfect spot where he's supposed to spawn. And he's supposed to open it up, and he's supposed to eat your face, and then that's what you hit him.
Eat your face?
No, not really.
Face eating mutants.
You know, I think it's actually only just to do a multiplayer. Oh well. Maybe next time. Maybe next playthrough. Maybe next playthrough,
I like face eating mutants. What is this thing? See these? I keep seeing these.
Yeah, I do. You hit X and you open it up.
Oh, really?
So I've been doing.
Wait a minute, I want to
Slow poke.
Nothing's happening.
Because it's already open.
Oh, did you open it?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to open one. No wonder it's not working for me. You're like taking them all. What's going on here?
Now, the Jedi.
There's nothing up there.
What?
Up there.
There's nothing up here? Okay, come back up. Oh, here it is. Found it.
You can hit it.
I'm hitting X.
Awesome.
Awesome sauce.
Oh, great.
Oh, I like this guy.
There's a thing over there if you want to open it up. Yeah, your thing that you want to open up. Too bad. Oh, you got the jetpack. What? I need the jetpack. Come over here, pick it up before it despawns. Come here and pick it up. It's a jetpack. Hurry before it despawns.
Come. Where do I go? Where do I go?
Big
Oh, I got it.
You get jetfire and stuff.
Gonna jump fire now? Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, that's awesome.
Have fun with your monsters. I'm gonna go this way and through. Yeah. My 400 gold.
400 gold. I have 400 gold.
I'm going to go exploring. You wanna go exploring?
No, I want to get the rest of these guys. They are my friends.
Then why are they giving you up? Why are they winning?
I'm the winner. So what do we do here now?
Fights! Bosses!
I'm done fighting bosses.
You have to wait. Shark 2.
We have an 86 of 90. Oh, 89 of 90. 18 enemies are left. Is that what they are? Yeah, they're like right on top of me. Every time they turn around, I'm like right there.
You want to come over here and pick this stuff up?
Okay, where are you?
I'm on my little sprite thing. Because there's like 3 chests over here. And I'm over to the right. Down here.
Very fast. Oh,
Maybe you can teleport. Okay, no, let's do this.
yeah, he's got some. He's
Two enemies left.
had some good stuff. Well, don't get rid of them until we get the stuff, so don't fire those missiles.
Oops.
Like that.
That was where mine was. Does an active ability.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Uh-oh.
What's this?
You want to do that?
I want to do this?
Yeah, A, and then A. Again. Whenever you want to. Ooh!
I have an old box.
Yeah.
What is that?
A chance to cure enemies.
So they're gonna fear me?
Damage.
Wait, should they do?
Hit that.
Okay.
Okay, now come down here and hit this guy. Oh.
Do I get this one?
You can hit other stuff 3 times.
Halls go to.
You want to do it like 2 more times.
Well, I have like 7 months. Oh, that's all she wrote there. Whoa! Hold up.
That you are? There we go.
So, what do we do now? We gotta go back
Let's
to
go this way. Oh, or you can go that way.
We gotta go back to the
The thing. Yep. I'm gonna go for
oh, okay, we gotta go this way.
Yeah, you have to go down here and this way. Where are you going?
I'm following you, I'm trying to do it.
Yeah, that's the reason.
Ah! just happened?
Do your roll. Your roll.
I got it.
Alright. Good luck coming back.
I did it. Done.
Oh, did you hear that bell? You heard that bell? That means the difficulty just increased.
Did it?
Yes.
But we killed you.
Well,
Oh, no, 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 no. Help! 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 Help!
I helped.
Help! 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 Help!
Did I help? Bye-bye!
Put back there. I mean, that's not a good spot. That's not a good spot at all. You gotta get out of here.
I'm going. Parkour.
You're parkouring?
Parkouring, yeah.
Okay. I need parkouring. I'm parkouring too. Oh! Help! 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 Help!
Right.
Ooh, that puts me in a good spot.
Yes, you do.
Yes, that you go. All the things right above us. We have to go. Ooh, here's the thing. Teleport thing or something. Boop. Yay! Well, that's Risk of Rain for everybody.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Don't forget to,
Comment, rate, and subscribe and stuff.
and we'll see you on the other side.
Yeah.
Hope you guys liked it.
Yeah.
See you guys later, yo!
Yeah.
Bye!
Bye.